Hi guys, it's about I don't even know how many days later. when I last talked to you guys was Saturday. That's how we're gonna go home and show you guys everything I have. Yeah, Saturday when I leave in the vinyl store, right? I had a migraine all weekend long, so I have not even touched the camera. So now it's Monday. I don't even know how much I clap. I feel like one of those coming on right now, but I'm just like, you know what, let me just get to this, because if I don't do this, it's never gonna happen. And I did also just get a package, so let's unbox this together. I'm putting it away. Let me gather everything and cut my bag. Here's bucket number 1. Ooh. Bucket number 2. And bucket number 3. Okay. Let me just quickly, y'all, open this package and see what category it goes into, so I can properly show you guys this haul. Okay? Okay. Un momento, por favor. Okay. So first things first. I went in the barrel and because I had a barrel that for the first wedding, I sent down a barrel filled with like decor, food stuff, all of that kind of stuff, baby. The barrel is at Joel's brother's house. I told him he could use stuff in there for his wedding that he had last year. Not to mention when you out the food, all of them something. So yeah. I don't know what's left in that, but I had a second one that was on my balcony that I was packing to get ready to go down, that had like a lot of the stuff for like my bridesmaids at the time, all of that stuff. So I went in there and I found some stuff. I found these beach bags that I had bought the last time. This is what they look like. So I'm debating whether or not I'm going to give them to my girls. I feel like I might as well, because like what am I gonna do with them? And I had 8. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that are in good condition. I don't need all 7, but I mean, there's 5 of us total, plus my mama, and JoJo's mom too. I could like, you know, make them cute little gift baskets or something. I don't know, or something. I don't know. And like the inside is removable, so if they don't like that part, they can just wear it as such. You know, and I can put names here if I feel like it. Or I can print names here. I could iron them on there actually, which would probably be a lot better. Or like a little initial here, because I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm doing initials. I don't think I'm doing names or like titles, except for one thing that has titles on it. And whatever the case may be. So I have these, and then I also found these, which I never thought anything of using them, but these cute little cosmetic bags. So I guess I will put their names on this. So I have these, and what else is in here? Some cosmetic mirrors as well, but I don't think I'm gonna be using those. So since we started off with the bridesmaid, like bridal party, let me just show you guys what I have for the bridal party already. Majority of these items came from Temu. Like, Temu has been very clutch for this process. I ain't even gonna hold you, okay? Yeah. All right, so I just got in this package these pearls in a few different sizes because I want to make my bridal hangers. So I don't know if this is if it's gonna go up before this or if it's gonna go up after this, but you guys will see where I went and picked up these from IKEA. So the black ones, well, the black ones are basically for everybody. Yeah, so for the girls ones, I want to decorate ours with some pearls on them, so that's what I got the pearls for. And I also have them in white. I think I'm just gonna give white to like me, my mom, and probably babe. No, I have some wooden ones I said I would give to my mom and babe, and then I have the white, which is kind of crazy that I bought this full pack for just one white, but we move. Okay, so that's that. And then basically for gifts, I'll show you what I got for the girls so far. For everyone's bouquet, I wanted them to have like a brooch with their initial on it. So I ordered these. Oh, I was about to say, who in my bridal party has a name that starts with a K? So I got these. So pretty. So freaking pretty. So it'll go on like the handle part. It'll go on the handle part of the bouquets. So I got one for all the ladies, myself included. And I also got them these. This actually came from Dollarama. These were $4 each. These are travel jewelry boxes. So I got them all one of these. So cutesy. And I'm going to put their initials on it. I got the gift boxes from Temu. And I got the like bridal party. This, as I said, this is the only thing that's gonna have like their roll on it. I got them these slippers for the day of. And I said girls, right? And the smokers of the group got these like travel cases that carry their stuff. I'm trying to see if there's anything else down here that I'm forgetting. And I think that's it that I have in here for the girls. The only other thing that they're getting aside from the mirror, I mean not the mirror, the hanger will be their robes, like to get ready for. I just haven't found the ones that I'm set on, or if I want to do the pajama route, so that's why I don't have them as of yet. But I have a few stuff in my cart. I'm just still debating and waiting to see what I select. For the other ladies, like my mom, my mother-in-law, my auntie, I got them these brooches to wear on the day of. These came from Shein. So cutesy. Oh! So I got I got 3 of those. Oh, for the girls also, I got them these because I want them to wear these into the reception and have them for the reception. And I'm gonna put ZJ and the date on here. So that's a that for the girls. And then for the guys, no, I got them these flasks. So nice. I'm gonna put their initials on it. I got them those. Ooh. They also got these glasses, which I'm gonna do the same. Z and J and the dates. Also got them socks for the day of, and I'm going to add their initials. You know, everything gotta be official. No matter body I run around and stuff. Oofa socks, oofa 1 foot, oofa. Yeah, your name's supposed to define everything so there is no confusion in. You get what I'm saying? And I also got their bow ties and their pocket scarves. So we just went with these simple satin, oh God, bow ties. Y'all, I'm so excited to just see everything. Whoa! Okay, so yeah, I got them those. And I did not want them to have traditional. I've been seeing a lot of stuff like on TikTok, and I'm just like, I didn't really want them to have the flower, like flowers. So I got them these lapels, these rose lapels, and it has like a little connector chain thing on it, so they'll look a little bit more official. You know what I mean? Yeah, and not naga dead. You get what I mean? So not naga dead. So yeah, everything will live on forever and ever and ever. Amen. Amen. All right, so that's that, I think, for the bridal party so far. And then the last thing that I wanted to get them were some like customized cufflinks with their initials, so they have that for the day of and then going forward. Yeah. And I said the glasses, right? Right, that's all. All right. Let me do. Oh, socks. Wow, that's not going down. For the cocktail hour reception part, I don't really have much right now. Only because the menu, I need to still confirm the dessert portion. My caterer was like, I totally forgot about the dessert part. So I'm still figuring out what I want to put down for the dessert. So once that's figured out, then I'll have my menus to print. My coordinator said she will provide like table numbers. I'm getting everything basically in terms of decor taken care of there, so I don't need to do anything in regards to like centerpieces, anything like that. But I am going to be doing my menus, and I think I'm gonna do thank you notes. I'm not 100% sure, but that would be probably about it for the cocktail hour. Now I do want to do some like custom cups, maybe shot glasses. I'm gonna be doing napkins, so I have some napkins here. That's what a lot of the vinyl is for, guys. So yeah, I want to do custom napkins, probably some custom cups, water bottles. I need to do the labels. What else? I think that's about it. I need to go back and look on my list and see what's in my cart or whatever the case may be, and then yeah, once the rest of that stuff comes in, then I can update you guys on if there's anything else that I needed to add in for the reception portion. But I don't think there's really much for the reception. I need to buy more, like, I need to buy the cups actually, y'all. So actually there is a lot more that I have to do. That's bar, reception, cocktail type thing, because I need to get the, I ain't even gonna tell y'all. When they come in, I will show them to you guys, but I do know what it is that I need to get. Now that the bridal party stuff is mostly out of the way, like I can go on and like start getting the rest of the stuff. All right, so for ceremony slash kind of day of slash bridal party stuff still ish. Anyways, let's just get into it. All right, so I don't know if I told y'all, but I am gonna be making like the bouquets for myself, my girls, for the day of, only because I feel like, okay, for one, I'm just not really, I like flowers, don't get me wrong, but I'm okay with full flowers. Like, I like holding on to my stuff, so I would love for my bouquet to last, just like on my first one. I still have it because there was foam flowers that they used for that one, and I got it from Jamaica. I didn't really 100% like it, but at least I have it and I can still see it and know like that's, you know, not to say like I couldn't repurpose real flowers and do something with it, but it's too much money for the time. Like, the wedding is literally 6 hours. And a bouquet, mine alone starts at like $150. These flowers Yeah, $15. So these are my everything in there is insane. Wow. Anyways, these are for my flowers. I'm obsessed with baby's breath, so I got those for me. Let me just show you guys what I'm going to be using for my bouquet. I don't know if that video has gone up prior to this or if it has not, but I definitely have recorded every single basically aspect of the process, you guys. I promise you won't be losing out on anything, and I appreciate that. I have my art guys, so not gonna lose. I do want to incorporate black roses into my bouquet, so I got some black roses. These came from Temu, and I just need to steam all of the flowers. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that this weekend, but we shall see. Also for mine, I just got these in from Temu. Kind of like hoping well, no, yeah, they definitely do give more authentic. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I got a 12. Yeah, however many. I think I got a dozen, but okay. So a dozen white roses. So I'm gonna be mixing the white, the black, and the baby's breath. And then for my girls now, so initially I got these, right? And I loved these, but when I went back to order them, because I realized one of each I would have needed for each girl's bouquet, they were sold out. So I ordered them from another vendor, but these came, and they're not giving the same. So I'm probably just gonna have to like break these into 4 and then mix these in and create magic. I don't think it'll be too hard. It's just they included some green on this, and the stems look a lot more faker. But we move. And I purchased these for the girls' bouquets. And yeah, got some flower tape so that I can make them. And that's all that I have so far for the bouquets. For the ceremony, I also want to have like a memorial cloth for one of the chairs. So I got some fabric that I need to make the sign, used to make the sign. So I got this, and then I also have this cutter, this roller cutter to help cut the fabric, and then I got the iron-on to make the sign. I just made the design today, so I'll probably work on that sometime this weekend and get that done. And then I think I'm going to use some of the leftover fabric to also make the sign for the bar. So yeah, I have these tissues for my happy tears, like tissue things that I want to add onto all of the chairs. And then I have these wooden handles from the last time that I found in the barrel that I'm thinking I'm going to use to make fans. But I also want to get like the wooden fans. So I'm not sure. I think I might mix and match, or I don't know. But I really do want to have like our pictures like all over the place. So I think that that's a cute way to incorporate it, is by using these. But then again, I just love the look of the wooden fans. This is some newsprint paper that I have for our programs, because I am doing, I don't think I showed you guys the save the date, but it was along the lines of the newspaper theme. This is it actually. I have it right here. Oh my god. I wonder if I should bring this to Jamaica and like take pictures of the day of, like. But this is what we use to do our announcement for the save the dates. But yeah, guys, so yeah, and that's all that I have right now. I feel like I'm missing some things, but honestly, y'all, that's all that I have right now. Is that bad? Let me know if that's bad. But anyways, that's it for this episode. I'm going to repack these things and call it a night. I'm gonna go, yeah, get ready for live tomorrow. And when I have another update or something more interesting that can happen, then I will come back to you guys. And I'll, like, you know, let you guys know or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. As of right now, that's about it. Just gotta start doing them. Time is going. Like, time is going. I don't think anybody's really paying attention to the calendar at the time, but hey, but it's going. So we gotta get going, you know? But yeah, as I said, I'm gonna repack these things, y'all. Finish doing what I need to do. And I will see you guys on another episode of I Am a 2025 Bride who is planning her wedding for the 3rd time.